Wait lang. Galing sa Alcocoa. Nandito kami para tingnan ko yung inyong komunidad. Yung iba 20, ano ba yung last? 2022 yung last. Inadapt sila ng community, okay?
Is only the beginning, which means that when something comes to an end, it opens up new possibilities. So the end of one thing may be the beginning of something else.
Now let's proceed to the program of Bachelor of Public Administration. May I call on the accreditor, Dr. Valentino G. Taco.
Thank you, Ricky. Kahit wala dito si Mayor, I would like to thank the Honorable Mayor, Maria Teresa Timbol, for the kind of commitment and dedication that she has. Not only, I guess, to KCAST, but to the entire municipality of Kapalong. Of course, also our very active and very President po natin si Dr. Rodrigo Licayan. And of course, ever parang hindi napapagod na Dean ng Public Administration. Dean, baka pwedeng tumayo ka din. si Dr. Lenny Uliki. Pasalamatan sa nato si Ma'am Aina, ang ato municipal administrator. Dahil sa kanyang experience, I guess he was one of those instruments or instrumental in the continuous existence of KCAST. Okay, so let me go back. Introduction pa lang yun Let me just go back to what public administration is all about. If there is anything that separates public administration from all other courses, there is only one word that describes public administration. And that is the word service. Pagserbisyo, paglilingkod sa kapwa, paglilingkod sa pamahalaan, paglilingkod sa society. Kasi kung magtatrabaho ka, if you work in a government agency, you cannot even bargain for your salary, you cannot even bargain for the conditions of employment because it is already set by the Civil Service Commission. So for a public administration student, service is behind the discipline. And what is service? Service is not towering over all men, but service is bending down and serving people. Kaya yung mga nagpa-public administration, you should embrace the culture of service. Kung tingnan po natin, tatlo lang naman yun There are only three things na sinasabi nila aim ng education. There are only three trifocalized function ng education. Unang-una yung pagturo. No? The way we teach, the way we impart knowledge to our students. And the way I looked at it, in the 6 classes na ako giatuan and I observed, napakagaling ng mga teachers natin sa public administration. Pwede bang tumayo yung pinuntahan ko? Si Laurente. These are your teachers in public administration. Palapakan nato kasi napakagaling nila magturo ng public administration. So that is the first function, teaching. The second, of course, apart from teaching, in the trifocalized function of education is community. Let's go first to research. Ganon din ang mga teachers natin sa public administration, through the dean and even our president, nakita po natin na they were very interested in honing the faculty members of the BPA to conduct and perform research. Kaya kung makikita natin sa best practices natin, nag-attend sila ng research sa Davao, nag-attend sila ng international research, nag-attend pa sila ng research forum sa, was it Bohol? And other places. And in fact, some of the researches that were done by our teachers were published in international journals. So, palakpakan natin yan. Kasi it's a plus factor. If your long function, of course, is community service. And it is very, very evident na yung ginawa ni Mayor, napakaganda ng community service extension project ng bachelors in public administration. Bakit? Nakakatuwa na yung mga kapatid natin na IPs, indigenous people, indigenous communities, tinagaan sila ni Mayor og yuta, no? Ipalitan sila ni Mayor og yuta, andun na sila, nakatira na ngayon sa Sitio Biocong, no? Sa Sitio Biocong. Nakato na ba mo sa Sitio Biocong? Kisay nakaadto na sa sitio Biokong. Can you raise your hands? And there you will see the goodness. You will see the goodness of our mayor. You will see the goodness of the people running and working at KCAST. And of course, the goodness of our students. At kayo ng solar lights, public administration students, hindi naman criminology students. No, I'm just joking, don't get me wrong. Totoo naman yun, di ba? But we are working together as a team. We work together as the entire school. Yun lang ang pinag-aano namin ni Dr. Lira kasi nag-accredit kami, nag-joke kami. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating? Kanina pa kami dito, public students. Kanta yun. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Marunong pala ako kumanta. Hindi ko alam yun. So, yun. The trifocalized, the third function is community extension service. And I'm very, 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 very happy as an accreditor to see that a community service of this kind is extended to the IPs, to the indigenous people community. Kasi you know, my experience, I've worked in the government service also. I have been with the Court of Appeals, I have worked with the Philippine Retirement Authority, and most especially, I've worked with the Commission on Human Rights. Kaya malapit sa akin, sa public administration, ang karapatan ng bawat tao. Lalong-lalo na yung mga, sabihin nilang natin, indigenous people communities. So, Ma'am Aina, wala si Mayor Direk, pero ingna na nagapasalamat ko na ibigyan niya ng halaga ang mga indigenous people. Ito lang ang iiwan ko sa inyo, sa mga students. Sinabi ko na ito sa ibang students ng public health. And I would like to share this with all the students of KCAST. That one of the sacred things in studying is we should not study only for grades. We should not study only to get high grades, or we should not study for school, but we should study for life. May Latin maxim yan, sabi, non scholae sed vitae discimus. Ibig sabihin, we should not study for school or for grades, but we should study for life. Because the kind of training that you get at KCAST, the kind of values that you learn at KCAST, will later on be used by you when you go out there in the field. And when you go out there, helping the community to be more of themselves, helping people to be more of themselves. Kaya napakaganda ng conference namin kagabi. Kasi yung mga alumni natin, andito na sila. They are already partaking and sharing their talents in the formation of the character and minds of our students. Di ba marami tayong alumni teachers na sa public administration? I don't know with the other courses. Kasi sa public administration lang ako nag-ano. So they are there already, they are helping that our students will be the best kind of persons that they can be. Okay? So, let us not study for school, but let us study for life. Pangalawa pa lang ito Pangalawa is, we should always work together as a team. Let's work together as a team. Kasi yung team, it is an acronym. T is together, yung E is for each or we, yung A ay achieve, and yung M is more. So in working together as a team, we are able to achieve more for ourselves and for the community where we are serving. And the community where we are serving is KCAST. So, gusto kong kumanta rin eh. But anyway, baka humaba na. Hindi, pero sa tingin ko, hindi pa mahaba yung sinabi ko eh. So, I personally am here to get into the discovery or the evaluation as to whether or not our in public administration will be suitable for a level 2 accreditation. Of course, as was mentioned a while ago, the beginning of knowledge is of course God. No, so in the hierarchy of values, God is the be-all and end-all of everything. The things that we are doing in our day-to-day lives are only reflections on what God wants us to do. So the only thing that we should do is let's not stop praying that we will be a part, we will be an instrument in making this community, this school, a better place to study. So congratulations and thank you so much.
MC, we have Sir Carl Ganal and Ma'am Jenny Hayes, no? Okay, what can I say? Parang close to Juani. Anyway, thank you so much, our dear accreditors. Balik-balik ba ang Davao? Oh, Tagalog. I will end this ceremony by singing the song Tuwing Umuulan at Kapiling Ka as a sign of our gratitude to our accreditors. If you know the meaning of the song is about we are very much happy that you are here. You are truly a blessing to our institution. A big hands for them. But there is a requirement, no? Everybody should sing. Okay? I will give the key, no? Buhos na ulan. Okay, ha? Sige. Buhos na ulan. Okay? That's the key. 1, 2, 3, go! Buhos na ulan, ating mundo'y lunurin tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso ko. Nagliliyak, pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y umiiyak sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka. A big hands for our creditors! Mabuhay KCAST! Mabuhay ang Alcocoa! Sulong Kapalong! Thank you!
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, we have Dr. Romel Dalgoy.
Yes, at nagising ang lahat ngayong hapong ito.
Yes, and I believe that was the great ending of our accreditation period this week.
Talagang pang-zip na yon ang ating accreditation activity 2024.
Yes, again.